Hi, this is Ashley from Halton Honda with another great pre-owned option. Today we're looking at a one-owner value-packed SUV, the 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport in Deep Espresso Brown. With its 3.5-liter V6 producing 270 horsepower and coupled to a 6-speed electronic automatic transmission that offers up state-of-the-art shifting. And all that power means a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds to tow your favorite toy. And you'll be towing that toy in the comfort of heated leather trim seats, power sunroof, auto-dimming rear view mirror with compass, Bluetooth and USB connections, and even a clean whatever this is. The joy of a vehicle that has the space both you and your passengers will appreciate. Purchasing an SUV can be a big decision. Choosing one that's big on space, big on safety, and big on value will put a big old smile on your face when you click the link below to book your test drive today.